for my smoke!
I told you. They took them off me. I tried, but there were too many of them. They had knives. What was I supposed to do?
Oh, I'm sorry. Were you scared?
Yes, they were horrible. I thought they were gonna kill me.
This is Penguin's turf, you freak. I'm gonna cut you up into tiny pieces for breaking in here.
Must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the Aquatic Observation Chamber. Iceberg Lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction.
I don't think I want you breaking into my little... Oh, Batman.
Something's blocking communication back to the Batcave. Penguin must be using military-grade communication disruptors. The only way to crack this security is to destroy them.
Welcome.
Help! Stop, please!
How does this thing work, anyway?
All you need to know is Penguin wants this thing powered up. While it's working, no one in this...
Look out! Batman's here!
The jamming tower has 3 terminals attached. I'll need to destroy all 3 to shut it down. One jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? One of the jammer signals disappeared. Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with you. Is it working?
According to the log, all wave frequencies are being suppressed. The entire... The freaking man!
Batman's done something to the jammers up top. Where are the rest of you idiots? We've only just managed to get below ground. Just send it up wherever you are. Do it now. Batman's probably on his way down there. Understand? Yes, sir, Mr. Cobblepot.
The signal's blocked again. Sounds like Penguin's final jammer was activated somewhere underneath Arkham City.
He's a little bit...
Ghost! It's Batman!
What are you waiting for?
The phone's still working.
I've got him! He's over here! You're not getting past me again!
That was one of the Titan containers Joker had back at Arkham Asylum. What is it doing here?
Penguin sounded pissed.
Batman's been screwing with his plan.